Welcome to Truehost Academy, your go-to channel for all things digital marketing. Today we're focusing on the basics of digital marketing. Whether you're new to online promotion or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will set you on the right path. So what is digital marketing? Simply put, it's using the internet to advertise and sell products or services. This includes activities like social media marketing, email marketing, and search engine optimization, or SEO. In today's business world, digital marketing is a must. Many people go online every day to find products and services. If your business isn't online, you could miss out on reaching these potential customers. Digital marketing allows businesses to connect with a large audience at a lower cost than traditional marketing methods. It also provides tools to track and measure results, helping businesses understand what works best and improve their strategies. Now, let's explore the basics of digital marketing. First up, content marketing. This involves creating and sharing different types of content to attract and engage an audience. Common types include blog posts, videos, and infographics. For instance, blog posts provide valuable information to readers, while videos can be tutorials or product demos. Infographics use visuals to explain information simply and engagingly. Creating a content strategy is key. Start by defining your goals. What do you want to achieve with your content? Next, know your audience. Who are they and what do they care about? Decide on the types of content you'll create and how often you'll post. Make a calendar to schedule your content, ensuring you stay consistent and organized. Sharing your content effectively is just as important as creating it. Post on your website and share on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Use email marketing to send content directly to your audience. Paid ads can also help you reach a larger audience. The goal is to get your content in front of as many people as possible. Next, let's talk about email marketing. Start by building an email list. Collect email addresses from people interested in your business by offering something valuable, like a free ebook or discount in exchange for their email. Ensure your website has an easy-to-find sign-up form. Crafting effective emails is crucial. Keep your emails clear and to the point. Use a friendly and professional tone. Include interesting content that is useful to your readers, such as updates about your business, special offers, or helpful tips. Always include a clear call to action, so readers know what you want them to do next. Automation tools can make your email marketing more efficient. These tools can send emails automatically based on certain triggers, like when someone signs up for your list or makes a purchase. Personalization is also important. Use the recipient's name and other details to make your emails feel more personal and relevant. Social media marketing is another powerful tool. Choose the right platforms where your target audience spends their time. For example, if your business focuses on young people, platforms like TikTok and Instagram might be best. For professionals, LinkedIn could be a better choice. Developing a solid social media strategy is essential. Set clear goals for what you want to achieve, such as increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or boosting sales. Plan your content and make a schedule for when and how often you will post. Consistency is key to keeping your audience engaged. Social media marketing can be organic or paid. Organic social media involves posting content without paying for ads, while paid social media involves spending money on ads to reach a larger audience quickly. Both methods have their benefits, so it's important to use a mix of both. Now let's look at search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is important for improving how your website appears in search engines like Google. There are two main types of SEO, on-page and off-page. On-page SEO involves changes you make directly on your website, like optimizing titles, descriptions, and content to include relevant keywords. Off-page SEO involves actions taken outside your website to improve its ranking, such as earning backlinks from other reputable sites. The more quality backlinks you have, the more likely search engines will see your site as valuable and trustworthy. Keyword research is key. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find popular keywords related to your business. Include these keywords in your content to help your site show up in search results. Link building is also important. Create high-quality content that others want to share and reach out to other websites to request links. Understanding the basics of digital marketing is a great first step for any beginner. We've covered the main ideas from content marketing to SEO. Knowing how to use these tools can help you reach more people and grow your business. Remember, digital marketing is always changing. Keep learning and stay updated to make the most of new opportunities. Thank you for watching Truehost Academy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Keep exploring and learning about digital marketing to build a strong foundation for your business in the digital age. See you next time.